Get back to Pete for the forecast.
Yeah, Chris, and I do want to give you another update on Milton and exactly what's taking place right now. As we take a wide look here at the radar, you can see for yourself the eye. Here it is. There it goes. Made landfall down around at Siesta Key at 7:30 tonight. Winds of 120 miles an hour. Right now it's inland. It's 75 miles southwest of Orlando. St. Cloud is south of Orlando, so Orlando's up here. But winds of 105, a Category 2. And as it moves across the rest of the peninsula tonight, remember from Sarasota on over here to around Melbourne is about 125, maybe 130 miles. So as it moves that additional, I don't know, maybe 90 miles or so, 80 miles or so, it's going to stay a Category 2 until it exits the state. Winds right now over at Cocoa, 46, Fort Pierce. The tornadoes happened over in this part. They happened to the south of Melbourne, okay? North of Palm Beach, north of West Palm. That's where the tornadoes happened earlier today. And those deaths, that's where St. Lucie County is. It's over in this part of Florida. So the deaths happened over here due to tornadoes in advance of the landfalling hurricane that took place over here. But the winds right now in Sarasota, Bradenton Airport, 102, down in Venice, 80, 88 and 90, up at St. Pete, Clearwater, and 85-mile-an-hour winds right now in Tampa. I'm kind of surprised that those sensors are still operating. There's the Category 2. There it is. It'll move offshore. It's now sped up just a tad. It'll move offshore at 6 o'clock Central. 7 o'clock Eastern time is when it moves offshore. Stays at Category 2. Again, no impact whatsoever on any other state in the United States. It moves offshore, and then by this weekend, it fizzles out in the Atlantic with no additional threat to land after it exits Florida right around sunrise tomorrow. Already, some locations in the greater Tampa Bay area have already picked up 20 inches of rain, and some locations could see a total of 24 inches plus. And then when you look at our weather pattern here, everything's quiet here. Problems are there, but those problems, at least from meteorologically speaking, not the aftermath, because the aftermath is going to be problematic for months, if not longer. But we start to see high pressure settle in, and that just means as we head through the rest of this week, temperatures only go up. Sunday night, people have asked, when on Sunday, Pete, is this cold front going to move through? Sunday night, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night. By Monday, you'll notice some cooler temps, but that cold front will move through. That'll bring a nice change, finally a nice change to our weather pattern here. High pressure then dominates as we head through the next week after that Sunday night cold front. So in advance of that cold front, near record highs this weekend. Okay, nice mornings though. We'll have some really warm afternoons, if not some hot afternoons by Saturday and Sunday, and then there's that strong cold front on Sunday night. So look at these high temperatures. Today we were in the middle to upper 80s, tomorrow 89, Friday 90. Saturday's high is 94, the record high is 97, set in 1979. Sunday the record high is 97, set in 1910. So we'll be real close to those record highs this weekend. That Sunday night cold front moves through. And look at Monday. Monday's high temperature 82, and then Tuesday a high temperature of 75. So I have some 70s in this 14-day forecast, which is pretty nice. Tonight, mostly clear, dry, cool, light winds. 64 is the low tonight. During the day tomorrow, we'll hit 89 degrees. A dry day, a warm day with light winds, a mostly sunny day. Then the next 14 days, there it is. There's the 90 Friday, the 94 Saturday. Texas OU this weekend. 95 on Sunday. Cooler weather Monday, and pretty nice on Tuesday and Wednesday. And by the way, on Wednesday, it's our first chance of rain in a long time. I'm going 10% coverage on Wednesday. Yep. Mr. Vegas, aggressive gambler. I'm getting crazy on Wednesday, October 16th. Maybe a sprinkle then. I have one more day that we could see a sprinkle. That is on Sunday. That would be October 20th. Maybe another sprinkle. That's it as far as the rain goes. I mean, the vast majority of locations the next 2 weeks stay dry. Hopefully something changes with these storm systems right now that are all anticipated to stay well to the north of the state of Texas. So